Tingnan nyo nga, oh. Tingnan nyo. Nagkaon og sayuti. Hoy! Dili! Nagkaog sayuti lang.
Let me see your teeth.
Lala, he's mad. He's mad.
I want to see his teeth. Hey, his teeth.
Huh? He's mad.
You're not.
Because JJ took it. Isog man.
It's gone.
Asan?
It's gone now.
Take off your shoes. Spit.
now.
Spit that, babe. Ansa naman na ang bata diya? Ha? Hoy! Kuyawa mo kaon. Oy, naglaba pala ako, oh. Kunin ko na to kay akin itong tiklopin para makalaba na naman ako everyday. Intawon ako naglalaba kay grabe yung labahin ba. Pag hindi ko laban everyday, wala na. Parang bundok. Oh, grabe. Duha-duha man kinakain ni Jack. Lami. Grabe ang dumi niya na. Pero binihisan ko na yan. Naghabat na yan. Ngayon, binalik ko ito. Kay kalas og kuan ba? Ha? Password. Kadugay ni madam. Unsa naman mo? Quickly. Sige kay it's raining. Ito, quick. Ay, naku nito mga bata. Maulan na hapon. Si Inday ninyo hapon na, gabi na. Aalis muna ako. Wala akong kuan. Sit properly na lang. Sit, I said. Walang gasolina. Magasolina muna ako. Kaya naubos na. Asan naman ang aking susi ngayon? Kita niyo aking susi. Subada ay nay. Nag-on-on ako. Wala man na yung susi. Tara. Alas na tayo. Grabe yung ulan. Si Jack, iniwan ko lang. Uban-uban man itong dalawa sa akin. Sabi ko, madali lang ako maglabas. O dami, hindi ko gusto ubanin si Jennifer sometimes. Kaya madami siya pinukuha, no? Kung ano-ano lang yung inaano niya. Request. Asan ko siya padulog? Grabe ko kusog niya ko dyan.
But my sheet broke. Oh, she's not broken.
Let's put this one on.
Mommy.
Yes?
And Asta I can go to toilet.
Yeah. Sige, wala pagat ka sa Asda. Daga na kayo siya request. Nauubos na yung gasolina ko. Buti naalala ko today na mag-ano ako gasolina. Dali lang kami. Uy, kay si Jack nandoon. Kamagutom na yun ngayon. It's raining day lang, no?
Yeah.
Thank you. Just put the wiper at the back. Did it wipe then?
Yeah, I think.
Medyo busy yung ating roundabout.
La. There's the lion.
After this one, I think. No, we're still going. Ito yung pinaka-busy ba? Roundabout yung hirap. Sa Pilipinas, ang roundabout natin is mag-enter lahat ng sasakyan. Dito, hindi. Kailangan mong mag-antay sa yung turn. Kung kailan ka pwede papasok. Dito na tayo sa harap. Mabilis lang. It's nearly empty. Magbayad muna ako. Ganito kasi dito, bayaran mo man. daan. Tapos, ay. Hoy, unsa to nga card? Kuyaw kayo na wala silang taga-serve dito. Ha? Wala silang papel. Yung bata dyan, no? Si Jack, kawawa, hindi na kasama. Naunsa na. Nag-unsa naman, nagkamang-kamang naman ni sila. Ay, it's not busy today, nak. So, yeah, okay. Quickly kay, it's hot. Cold, I mean, hot. Nandun yung dalawa, sila lang yung nag-toilet. Asa na yun? Kung sila makita. Ayun. Ang dalawa. Gahanap tayo ng pajama set ni Jack. Meron bang pajama dito? Pajamas. Kita nyo na itong pinanggagawa ng dalawa. Ha?
Why do you always
You don't need hats. Where's the limsip na? Try, help mommy
what's
find the
limsip?
limsip. Kailangan ko ng ganito, oh. Ha? Floral. Card na. Yeah, card. Thank you. Okay, we put this one. Is it done? Go. We put all of these clothes. Oh my gosh, CJ. Huh? You okay, Nak? Tingnan niyo si JJ, nagdala ng bag. Put your jacket first. Go sit down there. Oh. Wow, that's yours, Jack. Yeah. It's in here. Where's Daddy's lemon? Namili kami ng mga kuan para sa aming biyahe. Mga gamit ng mga bata. Where's Jax? That's Jax? Ah. Oh, leggings. Jack, imo na, Jack. Oh, nice socks si Jack. Wow. Na kay socks? Leggings. Si Jenny Omarte. Elsa. Tapos, ito, deodorant. Blueberry. Happy ka, Jack? Asa ang imo, habi? Asa, be? Kuy, nagsuka dahil ni siya. Did he po? Did he po, Daddy? Nalibang ka, Jack? Wala man. Nalibang daw, sabi ni JJ. Ha? What? Nalibak ka, Jack? Busy ba yan na siya nagkuhan o naningin sa mga... Ah? Smell him? Poop. Nalibang. Honey? Did you know that Jack pooped? He pooped. Nak? Jessica, give put the kuan ka strawberry in the fridge. Agoy, tuan, nagkamang-kamang na siya.
Mommy, I'm gonna wear the salsa like
When?
when I'm going.
In the trip.
Daddy, we don't have to ask the teacher.
Busy kay si Jack o nagkamang-kamang.
The teacher knows.
Teacher knows what?
Yeah, because it's on the register.
What?
There's like a little mark. And
Why?
then so if you're going somewhere, or if you call the school or something, there'll be like a red dot on.
But nobody called the school yet.
No, not now.
Oh, last time.
No, not last time. It's just like if you're going somewhere, or if you say something, on the register there'll be a dot,
Oh, okay.
and then it will say what you like, why you're going.
Oh, alright. Jennifer, ay Jack. Oh, nai mo oh. Socks. Wow, nice socks si Jack. Sa lahat ng binili, yan lang talagang deodorant yung gusto ni Jack. Dali na, kay magbabat na Jack.
Daddy, this says look at the back, and that's the back is scissors.